What's up, peeps? Welcome back to my channel. If you've been following along, you know that I kind of am in love with begonias. I mean, look at all the propagations going on, right? I'm constantly getting new members of the family coming in, and and I just want to show you this one. Really, really cool. This one is called Begonia Caravan. It is a Rhizomatous begonia, non-Rex, Rhizomatous. And it is just so cool. When I saw the pictures of this, I kind of fell in love with it because it doesn't have flashy colors and really crazy shaped leaves. Nothing like that, but it is beautiful. It is just beautiful. So let me just run this down for you a little bit. If you look at the leaf, when I move it in the light, it almost has a velvety appearance to it. And that's because it has very fine, very short hairs, and it is a lot like velvet. Okay, that's the first thing that I love about this. I'm just going to list everything I love. The other thing is, I love the color of green. Okay, it's like green with some purplish in it. It's hard to describe, and when you move the leaf around, it changes color a little bit. See what I mean? I also love the color of the veins and the contrast of the vein color against the rest of the leaf. Look at that. It's like a very, very light, like a lime green center. It's really almost white, like yellow, that branches out to light green. All the veins are a light green that give a great contrast against the rest of the leaf color. I just find this fascinating, okay? And as if that wasn't enough, look at the underside. Beautiful red leaf with the light green veinage. I just find this such an amazing, beautiful plant. It's rhizomatous, which means you can propagate it from leaf cuttings, just like Rex begonias. One of my favorite things to do. if you don't know that, then you haven't been watching. It's already growing some new leaves. It's doing really well. I haven't decided how I'm going to pot this up yet, but a lot of times when I get these plants, I just put a plastic baggie underneath to catch any extra water that kind of filters through when you water it. But I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna pot this up. I am gonna propagate like this leaf here that's a little bit distorted looking. I am gonna propagate this one and anything else that isn't doing so great. This one here, it's not like it's an unhealthy leaf, it's just kind of not pretty. So I'm probably gonna propagate that one as well. I may do leaf wedge cuttings. So I cut this way and cut this way, so there's a vein that'll make a plant. Cut this over here like that, a wedge like that, that vein will make a plant, and so on. I'm so in love with this plant. I could tell that it's gotten like low humidity from wherever it came from, and may have been a little cramped in its growing space, because this is what the shape of the leaves, what they should look like, but a lot bigger. And you can see they've been kind of distorted from their growing conditions. Even this one a little bit, this one too. But fear not, because given some time in this beautiful area here, that's usually between 60 and 70% humidity and between 70 and 80 degrees, this plant will do just fine. I'm very excited. I'm very happy to welcome her to the family. Welcome to the family. And just a really, really beautiful plant that I cannot wait to watch grow, thrive, and be happy in this grow space. Anyway, again, this is Begonia Caravan. If you have any questions about what I'm planning on doing or growing method for these, it's obviously the same as any other rhizomatous, even Rex begonias. These do well in very well aerated, well draining soil. You can let them dry out to the point where they start to wilt. This way you don't overwater, but they do like to keep their soil basically damp but not waterlogged. Lots of perlite, lots of perlite. That's always what I say, and that's always what I like. I tend to grow a lot of my begonias, especially rhizomatous types, whether they be Rex or just other types of rhizomatous. I prefer to grow them in my acrylic yarn because they don't have very, very low incident of root rot, and and they just seem to thrive, as you can see. Everybody that's in the acrylic is doing beautifully. This one's been in acrylic for quite some time, and it's been growing tall. This isn't supposed to be an update video, but it's turned into that. You can see it's grown tall, and now it's growing out of this little vessel. Anyway, so yeah, any questions, just reach out. If you found this video interesting, or you love begonias or houseplants, because I do have videos on other plants occasionally, but I'm obsessed with begonias. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video, and I will see you in the very next video. Say goodbye, Caravan.